Stand the mower up and use a T20 bit to remove the 2 screws securing the deck. Use a T20 bit to remove the 8 screws securing the service cover. Use AM6 hex bit to remove the 4 screws securing the support plate. Use a T20 bit to remove the 8 screws securing the battery box assembly. Unplug the 2 battery connectors and the LED light connector. Use a T20 bit to remove the 4 screws securing the base wiring harness. Continue to remove the supporting structure, the spring, the support base, and the release button. Replace with a new base wiring harness and secure with the 4 screws. Plug the 3 connectors attached to the battery box assembly and route all the wires in the traps. Tighten the 8 screws to secure the battery box assembly. Install the support plate and tighten with the 4 screws. Install the service cover and tighten with the 8 screws.